I'm Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with one Hangla Hneshel recipe. Bengali they love fish, and on top of that, if it is Ilish much, that goes very well in Bengali cuisine. So there is some different tips to prepare this dish, special different ingredients you can say. So let me go ahead and prepare that dish and let me share with you all. To prepare this Gondhoraj Ilish, definitely we need Ilish much, which you can say Hilsa fish. And you need kaffir lime juice, kaffir lime leaves, and mild sweet green coconut water. I took 5 Hilsa fish pieces. First I'll marinate with pinch of salt, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of red chili powder, and kaffir lime juice. I will leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Prepare this dish, I need mustard oil. Here I took 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let it heat enough, then I'll add this marinated Hilsa fish. First I'll fry this marinated fish. Fry it in medium to high heat. Fry both the sides for 4 to 5 minutes. As I said, there will be some special ingredients. As I showed you, I used Gondhoraj Ilish juice, but this lemon leaves also I'll add it there, which will come from my plant. So this is the kaffir lime leaves, or we call it Gondhoraj Ilish. So I'll use at the end, I'll use these leaves. So that is the special ingredients for this dish. After 4 to 5 minutes, turn the fish and fry the other side as well. Once both the sides are fried well, I'll keep this fried fish aside. Now, in the same pan, I'll add 1 cup of green coconut water. Add half teaspoon of salt and pinch of sugar. And bring it to boil. Let me collect the kaffir lime leaves now. Once it's boiled enough, I'll add those fried Hilsa fish into this gravy. Now I'll add 4 kaffir lime leaves and will cook it for another 2 minutes in medium heat. My Gondhoraj Ilish is ready now. Enjoy this aromatic Gondhoraj Ilish with your family. So my Gondhoraj Ilish is over. It's very simple, very easy to make, and you need very less ingredients to make this dish. Main thing is you need Ilish much, kaffir lime leaves, kaffir lime juice, and the taste which enhance this dish is that green coconut water. All the flavor and taste infusions blends it so nicely. Just try it. Thanks to Hangla Hneshel. Thanks for watching. That's all from me today. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And definitely Kolkata recipe is coming soon. So keep in tune, subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get the notification once I upload my video. So take care. Bye bye.